Hello from Seoul. This is not gonna be the super fancy noodle dish, but as long as you have some soy sauce in your pantry, you'll make a super simple, budget-friendly, and incredibly delicious noodle dish that will change your life. Trust me, thanks to this bad boy, mine has already changed. Today, we're gonna be making the easiest and simplest noodle dish with soy sauce. No need to cook your meat or simmer the sauce for a long time. All you need to do is just toss the noodles with a simple sauce. There's no reason not to try at home, right? So please give it a try. It's so simple and delicious. It's gonna be your new favorite busy weeknight hero. I guarantee it. For this, you will need some noodles, green onions, and some toasted sesame seeds. That's it. But if you want to add a little bit of refreshing taste to it, then get yourself some cucumbers. What? You want to add some protein here? Then top it off with some fried egg at the end. This is a really versatile dish, so you can play around with what you have and make it your own. Trust me, everything will be fantastic. By the way, we have all the instructions and a list of ingredients on our blog, aaronandclaire.com. So please visit here if you need a written recipe. Alright, let's start with our vegetables. First, green onion. Take 2 green onions and thinly slice them. Since we're not gonna use other aromatic vegetables, feel free to use even more. As always, more green onion, more delicious. Next, cut half a cucumber into thin matchsticks. As I said earlier, this is totally optional, but it's gonna add a nice crunchy texture and a refreshing taste, so I highly recommend using it. And besides this cucumber, cabbage, lettuce, or even bell pepper works great for this dish. So feel free to experiment and have a little fun with it. They will all taste amazing. Now, with a mortar and pestle, let's grind our toasted sesame seeds. I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons here. Of course, you could just use them as is, but if you grind them up like this, you're gonna get a more intense nutty flavor. Trust me, this little step makes a huge difference in taste. So please do not skip this step. What? No mortar and pestle at home? Don't worry about it. Then just put them in a Ziploc bag and crush them with a rolling pin. Or even the back of a spoon will work. See? It works great, right? Now, let's move on to the sauce. As you might guess from the name, soy sauce noodles, the star of this dish is soy sauce, which means the quality of your soy sauce will make a huge difference in taste. What? You're not sure which one is good, so you want me to teach you how to pick a good one? Well, I know some stuff, but I think today's sponsor, Sinangchon Soy Sauce, which produces premium Korean soy sauce, will do the best job for you. Whether you're a home cook or a professional chef, when it comes to Asian cooking, the first thing you want to get is definitely soy sauce. And I'm sure this Sinangchon soy sauce is guaranteed to elevate your cooking. What makes it so special is that it's naturally brewed using traditional Korean methods, fermenting for over 6 months in the ground. You know what? They even play classical music in the fermentation room 24/7 to enhance the flavor. Yes, you heard it right, music fermentation. Thanks to their special natural brewing system, Sinangchon soy sauce has a beautifully clear color and a perfect balance of flavors with food of umami. Plus, Sinangchon soy sauce is made with natural mineral water and it contains no coloring or artificial additives. So it's not only just delicious, but it's also super healthy. And best of all, it's versatile, so you can use it for any dish you're making. Korean barbecue, salad dressings, soups, stews, or even simple stir-fry dishes. Trust me, this Sinangchon soy sauce will add a bunch of umami to your dish and take it to the next level. If you want to try Sinangchon soy sauce, the premium Korean soy sauce, click the link in the description and visit their official Amazon store. You will get special discounts on your purchase. Thanks Sinangchon soy sauce for sponsoring this video. Alright, let's make the sauce. In a small container, add 3.5 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of toasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, and give it a good mix. Here, you could also use white vinegar or rice vinegar, but this soy sauce-based sauce and the balsamic vinegar works surprisingly well, so please give it a try. You'll be surprised at how this simple combination creates such a wonderful dish. Alright, we're set. Let's get cooking. Fill your pot with enough water and bring it to a boil. Once it starts to boil, cook your noodles according to the package instructions. Today, I'm using 200 grams of somen noodles for 2 servings, but feel free to use other noodles as well. Buckwheat noodles, spaghetti noodles, or even instant ramen noodles work great in this recipe, so just use what you have. Everything will turn out fantastic. When the noodles are cooked, rinse them under cold water to stop their cooking. And then once they are cool enough to handle, rub them with your hands to get rid of that extra starch. Trust me, whether you do this or not, it makes a big difference in taste. So make sure to give them a good rinse. And then transfer the noodles into a large mixing bowl. But don't forget to squeeze out the water as fast as you can, because any extra water stuck to the noodles can dilute our sauce. Alright, let's pour in our sauce and give them a good mix. Once the noodles are nicely coated, give it a quick taste and add more soy sauce if needed. Alright, it's ready to serve. Let's put some noodles into a serving bowl and top it off with some cucumbers, green onions, and some toasted sesame seeds. That's it! Couldn't be any easier, right? But for Claire, who's always asking for protein, I'm gonna finish it off with some fried egg on top. How does it look? Looks absolutely delicious, right? Alright, let's see how it tastes. Claire?
완전 향이 어마무시하네. Crispy fried egg and soy sauce noodles sounds like a fantastic combo. Let's give it a try. 맛있겠다. 와, 이렇게 들어 올리니까 향이 더 나. Cheers. 싹 먹자마자 그 참기름에서 나오는 그 고소함이랑 깨가 약간 부서져 있어가지고 그 고소함이 진짜 둘이서 만나가지고 입에서 막 향긋하게 폭발하네. 근데 그게 되게 간장 소스랑 엄청 잘 어울린다. 막 간장이 너무 세가지고 막 짠 느낌이 그런 느낌이 아니라 딱 적당하게 면에 간을 싹 맞춰주면서 거기서 오는 그 자연스러운 풍미 있지. 그거랑 그 참깨, 참기름의 조합이 너무너무 그냥 너무너무 좋아. 거기다가 뭔가 센 건 아니지만 그 식초의 약간 그 새콤함이 좀 과할 수 있는 그 고소함을 또 이렇게 딱 잡아주거든. 그래가지고 오, 완벽한 배합인데? 너무 괜찮다. 이게 볶은 면이 아니잖아. 그래서 그런지 또 라이트한 그런 가벼운 그런 느낌도 있어. 너무 괜찮네. Cheers! 난 이대로 먹는 것도 너무너무 좋은데 여기다 매콤한 거 조금 넣고 싶은 사람들은 칠리 오일 위에다 살짝 뿌려가지고 먹어도 맛있을 것 같고, 혹은 아까 내가 말했던 것처럼 식초의 그 새콤한 맛을 좀 더 살려서 먹고 싶다 하는 사람들은 식초 한두 방울만 더 추가해가지고 먹어도 엄청 맛있을 것 같아. 나는 지금 이 참깨의 고소함을 완전히 즐길 거야. 그래서 난 안 추가. 완전 내 스타일.
Today, I showed you how to make soy sauce noodles, one of my go-to dishes for busy weeknights. I think this dish really shows a minimum of effort but maximum flavor. And by now, I guess you totally agree with that. So on busy weeknights, please invest 15 minutes on this. You'll be the most satisfying weeknight dinner with a minimum of effort. I guarantee it. Alright, this is it for today, and I'll see you next time.